Subscribe to the channel to motivate us to produce several videos, and thank you from the bottom of my heart. Abu Simbel. Abu Simbel is a historical site located in southern Egypt, near the border with Sudan. It is famous for its two massive rock temples, which were relocated to their current location in the 1960s in order to avoid their inundation by the rising waters of Lake Nasser, resulting from the construction of the Aswan High Dam. The larger of the two temples, the Great Temple of Abu Simbel, was built by Pharaoh Ramses II in the 13th century BCE and is dedicated to the gods Amun, Are-Horikti, and Ta, as well as to the pharaoh himself. The four massive statues of Ramses II that stand at the entrance to the temple are its most recognizable feature and are considered to be some of the finest examples of ancient Egyptian sculpture. The smaller temple, known as the Temple of Hathor, was built for Ramses' wife, Queen Nefertari, and is dedicated to the goddess Hathor. The two temples at Abu Simbel are considered to be among the greatest masterpieces of ancient Egyptian architecture and engineering and are now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, attracting thousands of visitors each year. Alexandrie. Alexandria is a city located on and its islands. Aswan is a city located in southern Egypt, on the east bank of the Nile River. It is known for its natural beauty and rich history, and is considered one of the most picturesque cities in Egypt. One of the main attractions in Aswan are its islands, which are located in the Nile River just downstream from the city. The two most famous islands are Elephantine Island and Philae Island. Elephantine Island is the largest of the Aswan Islands and is known for its ancient ruins, including a temple dedicated to the god Khnum and the remains of a fort that once protected the southern border of ancient Egypt. Philae Island is famous for its beautiful temple complex dedicated to the goddess Isis, which was relocated to its current location in the 1970s to avoid being submerged by the waters of Lake Nasser after the construction of the Aswan High Dam. Another popular island in Aswan is Kitchener's Island, which is named after the British general who once owned it. It is now a botanical garden and features a collection of exotic plants and trees, as well as a palm grove, a cactus garden, and a lake. In addition to its islands, Aswan is also known for its charming local markets, or souks, and its beautiful views of the Nile River and the surrounding desert landscape. The city is a popular destination for tourists who are interested in history, culture, and natural beauty, and is considered one of the most enjoyable places to visit in Egypt. Nile Cruise. A Nile River cruise is a popular tourist activity in Egypt that offers a unique way to explore the country's rich history and stunning scenery along the longest river in the world. The Nile River runs for over 4,000 miles through Egypt and is considered the lifeblood of the country, providing irrigation for agriculture and a transportation route for goods and people. Cruises typically start in Luxor and travel south to Aswan, or vice versa, stopping at various historical sites along the way. Some of the most famous sites that can be visited during a Nile River cruise include the Valley of the Kings and the Temple of Hatshepsut in Luxor, and the temples of Abu Simbel and Philae Island in Aswan. Cruises can range from 1 to several days in length and typically include comfortable accommodations, meals, and guided tours of the sites. Some cruises offer traditional felucca sailboats, while others offer modern river boats with amenities like air conditioning and swimming pools. A Nile River cruise is a unique and unforgettable experience that combines history, culture, and natural beauty in a single journey. Whether you are an avid history buff, a lover of beautiful scenery, or simply looking for a relaxing and enjoyable vacation, a Nile River cruise is a great choice for anyone visiting Egypt. White Desert. The White Desert is a unique and otherworldly landscape located in the western desert of Egypt. It is known for its distinctive white, chalk rock formations that contrast sharply with the surrounding sand dunes and desert landscape. The White Desert is a popular destination for tourists who are interested in natural beauty, adventure, and off-the-beaten-path travel experiences. The landscape is often compared to a lunar or Martian landscape, with its strange and surreal rock formations that seem to rise out of the desert sands. Visitors to the White Desert can explore the area on foot, by camel, or by four-wheel drive, and there are several camping and overnight options available for those who want to spend more time in the desert. In addition to its natural beauty, the White Desert is also rich in history and is home to several ancient rock art sites and historic carvings that offer a glimpse into the region's past. Overall, the White Desert is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in experiencing the unique and otherworldly landscapes of Egypt. Faculty. A city faculty is a group of teachers, professors, or instructors who work in a school or educational institution located in a city. The term is often used in the context of universities and colleges, where a city faculty is responsible for providing education and conducting research in their respective fields of study. City faculties are typically composed of individuals with expertise and knowledge in a variety of disciplines, such as arts, humanities, sciences, and engineering. They work to provide students with a comprehensive education and to advance their fields of study through research and innovation. The size and composition of a city faculty can vary greatly depending on the institution and the city in which it is located. In larger cities, faculties can be made up of hundreds or even thousands of individuals, while in smaller cities they may only consist of a few dozen members. Overall, the city faculty plays an important role in the education and development of students, and is a critical component of the intellectual and cultural life of a city. Cairo. Cairo is the capital city of Egypt and the largest city in Africa. It is located near the Nile Delta in the northern region of the country and has a population of over 20 million people. Cairo has a rich history dating back to the Pharaonic period and has been a center of culture, politics, and commerce for centuries. Some of the famous landmarks in Cairo include the pyramids of Giza, the Sphinx, the Egyptian Museum, and the Citadel of Saladin. The city is known for its vibrant street life, bustling bazaars, and rich culinary scene, making it a popular tourist destination for people from all over the world. Luxor. Luxor is a city located in southern Egypt, on the east bank of the Nile River. It was once the ancient city of Thebes and was known as the capital of the Pharaohs during the New Kingdom period. Luxor is famous for its historical and architectural significance, as it is home to many of the country's most famous monuments and landmarks. Some of the most notable sites in Luxor include the Temple of Karnak, the Luxor Temple, the Valley of the Kings, and the Valley of the Queens. Luxor is considered one of the most important tourist destinations in Egypt, attracting millions of visitors each year. In addition to its rich cultural heritage, Luxor also offers a variety of activities and experiences for tourists, such as hot air balloon rides, river cruises, and horse and carriage rides. Luxor has a unique blend of modernity and history that makes it a unique and unforgettable destination for tourists from all over the world. Hurghada and the Red Sea. Hurghada is a city located on the western coast of the Red Sea in Egypt. It is a popular tourist destination known for its beautiful beaches, clear waters, and abundant marine life. Visitors can go snorkeling, diving, and fishing in the Red Sea, as well as enjoy other activities such as windsurfing, kite surfing, and sailing. The Red Sea is a body of water that lies between Africa and Asia and is renowned for its diverse and vibrant coral reefs, which are home to thousands of species of exotic fish, dolphins, and other sea creatures. The Red Sea is also known for its unique underwater landscapes and clear visibility, making it an ideal location for snorkeling, diving, and other water sports. In addition to its natural beauty, Hurghada is also home to several luxury resorts, hotels, and shopping centers, providing visitors with a range of dining, entertainment, and shopping options. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, or simply a chance to soak up the sun, Hurghada and the Red Sea are sure to offer a memorable experience. Sinai. The Sinai Peninsula is a peninsula located in northeastern Egypt that is bordered by the Mediterranean Sea to the north, the Gaza Strip and Israel to the northeast, the Red Sea to the east and south, and the Suez Canal and Egypt to the west. The Sinai Peninsula has a long and rich history, having been part of several ancient civilizations, including the Egyptian, Greek, Roman, and Ottoman empires. The Sinai is a popular tourist destination due to its stunning landscapes, historical and cultural significance, and world-famous beach resorts. Visitors can explore the Sinai's rugged desert terrain, including the stunning colored canyon and the awe-inspiring Mount Sinai, which is believed to be the location where Moses received the Ten Commandments. In addition to its natural beauty, the Sinai is home to a number of world-class beach resorts, offering visitors a range of water sports and activities, as well as plenty of opportunities to relax and soak up the sun. Visitors can also explore the local Bedouin culture, sample delicious local cuisine, and visit historic sites such as the ancient city of Sharm el-Sheikh and the monastery of St. Catherine. Philae. Philae is an island located in the Nile River near Aswan in southern Egypt. It is most famous for the ancient temple complex that was built there in honor of the goddess Isis. The temple complex was relocated to the island of Philae in the 1970s after the construction of the Aswan High Dam threatened to submerge it underwater. The Temple of Philae is considered to be one of the most beautiful and well-preserved examples of ancient Egyptian architecture. It features stunning reliefs and inscriptions, as well as a variety of colorful columns, gates, and statues. The temple complex also includes several smaller temples dedicated to the goddess Hathor and the god Horus, as well as a number of buildings used for the storage of offerings and other religious artifacts. In addition to its architectural and historical significance, Philae is also known for its beautiful gardens and peaceful atmosphere. Visitors can explore the temple complex and learn about its history and significance, as well as relax and enjoy the scenic views of the Nile and the surrounding landscape. Overall, Philae is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in ancient Egyptian history and architecture. It offers a unique glimpse into the religious and cultural beliefs. Saqqara. Saqqara is an archaeological site located in the suburbs of Cairo, Egypt. It is one of the oldest and most important necropolises in Egypt, and is home to several major pyramids, including the Step Pyramid of Djoser, which is considered to be the world's first large-scale stone building. The Step Pyramid of Djoser was built during the 27th century BCE for the pharaoh Djoser, and is considered to be one of the most important architectural achievements of ancient Egypt. The pyramid consists of 6 mastaba-style layers that rise to a height of 60 meters, 197 feet. And is surrounded by a complex of courtyards, temples, and other buildings. In addition to the Step Pyramid, Saqqara is also home to several other important monuments, including the Unas Pyramid, the Teti Pyramid, and the Serapeum, a vast underground tomb complex that was used to inter the sacred bulls of the god Ptah. Visitors to Saqqara can explore these monuments, as well as the many other tombs, temples, and other structures that make up the site, and learn about the history, beliefs, and culture of ancient Egypt. Giza. The Giza necropolis is located on the outskirts of Cairo, Egypt, and is one of the most famous archaeological sites in the world. It is home to the Great Pyramids of Giza, which include the Great Pyramid of Khufu, the Pyramid of Khafre, and the Pyramid of Menkaure. These pyramids are considered to be some of the most impressive and well-preserved examples of ancient Egyptian architecture, and are among the 7 wonders of the ancient world. The Great Pyramid of Khufu, also known as the Pyramid of Cheops, is the largest of the pyramids and was built around 2560 BCE as a tomb for the pharaoh Khufu. It is considered to be one of the 7 wonders of the world and is the oldest and only remaining of the 7 wonders. The pyramid stands at a height of 146 meters, 481 feet, and is made of over 2 million stone blocks, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons. The Pyramid of Khafre, also known as the Pyramid of Chephren, was built for the pharaoh Khafre and stands at a height of 136 meters, 447 feet.